Hi there, welcome to Some DIY. My name's Ben. In this video we're checking out the Agasound AgaOne Hi-Fi earphones. Okay, so these are priced at under £40 at the moment, so budget friendly, in-ear monitors, hoping to provide high-end audio quality. What we're going to do in this video, we're going to unbox them here on the table. I'm going to try them out for a few days instead of my normal earbuds and earphones and see what they're like in terms of the audio delivery, etc. Obviously, in-ear monitors, you can get some very high-priced in-ear monitors for that hi-fi quality, and there's tons of different tech specs going on for those different types of in-ear monitors. Now, I'm no expert in the field, but in terms of audio quality, obviously the best audio quality you can get from your earbuds, earphones, headphones, even surround sound speakers, in-home speakers, etc. Obviously, the better the quality, the better the experience should be. So hopefully these will deliver exactly that, and obviously with them being under £40, nice and friendly on the wallet. So let's get inside the box, check them out, check out the design, the quality of them, etc. Go through some of the specs for the actual earphones, and then we'll try them out. I'll do a mini summary at the end, a bit of a review, just to kind of give my first impressions, overall impressions of the actual earphones. So let's get inside the box first and check them out. Okay, so super simple design. Got a nice white box with a sleeve on the outside. There's some information on the back of there and kind of a breakdown of the actual hardware. Inside here we've then got just a nice little white box with them in there, so you can see they look lovely, nice sleek design. You've got that kind of brushed aluminium looking design to them, really nice looking, and they're protected there in some foam. You can see the back of them there as well, looking great. Inside the box as well we've got the accessories and other parts needed, so we've got some tips for it, quite a few in there. And also the cable to connect up from the earphones into the device of your choice. Also included just a small user manual. Not much going on there, just around maintenance, how to use, etc. But obviously that should be quite intuitive and easy to do. So let's take a look at the actual product, see what the design and the quality is like. But I'm loving the design of them already. They look really, really smart. That brushed metal look, super high quality by the looks of it. They're obviously left and right indicators on the back of them, determining which is for the left and right ear. So what I'll do now, I'll get some close-ups of the stuff, we'll get them plugged in, we'll get them all connected up, give them a try out in terms of comfort, see what they feel like, see what the design and the build's like, and we'll go from there. Okay, let's go through the different parts of the earphones now. So the cable that comes included in this packaging here, silver plated OFC cable, that's oxygen free cable. Let's get it out of the bag, take a little look at it. Super flexible, should be really easy to obviously guide through clothing if required, but it's super flexible, nice and tough. Obviously you've got the gold plated 3.5mm jack on the end of that side, and obviously the other side of the actual cables that go into the actual monitors. They do have a left and a right indicator on those as well, just so you know which one you're going into. So that's the cable itself. So the actual body of the actual earphones, so they're obviously protected really well in that foam there. Let me just get those out, we'll get some close-ups in a moment. But as I mentioned, the left and right, you've obviously got the sections, the part where the actual cables plug in. So you've actually got the moulded section of the actual bud itself, or the earphone that goes in, and then the front of it's got that metal faceplate on there, really smart looking. Also get different colours in these, but that one is like a nice carbon dark silver colour, really nice and kind of multi-tone as you move it through the light. So they're really smart, really lightweight. Obviously we'll get these plugged in a moment, try them out, but they're looking good. You've got 3 lots of tips there in the bags, obviously for different sizes, depending on the size of your ears, but great that they've got loads included there, so you can then jump between different ones if required. Okay, before we plug these in and start using them, what I'll do, let me just work out which tip is the best fit for my ear, and then we'll take it from there. So we're back in a minute once I've got them fitted. Okay, they're all set up now, obviously with the ear tips on, the cable connected, ready to go. No problems there whatsoever. This cable is super flexible, seems really strong as well. You can guide that around devices or through with your t-shirt if you wanted to, for example, or bring it down to a pocket. So I've got the Samsung S24 Ultra. It doesn't have a dedicated 3.5mm jack port on it, so I won't use an adapter. What I will do is plug into a device that does. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use it on my Mac Mini. I'm going to use it with the Mac Mini M4, which I actually did a video on. I will link up here somewhere to that video. Great computer so far, PC, really, really good. So I use it for video editing, listening to music, just general stuff like that. So these could be perfect while I'm doing video editing. Some really high quality hi-fi earphones which should help with video editing. We'll try and with some music on there as well and see what they generally like, and then do a bit of a summary towards the end. So I'll jump over now to the Mac Mini and we'll do some testing. Okay, we're all done now with the Agasound AgaOne In-Ear Monitor hi-fi earphones. Super impressed, really good in terms of that value for money, really, really smart. The build quality is really good. I really like the design of them on the front with that metal plate on there, which is great. And the actual design of the actual body and obviously the wire, everything going into them. Seem to have got the build quality and the design really nice on these, so that's definitely a pro. In terms of audio, I'm no audio expert, but these seem really good on the bass. The bass is probably really satisfying, it's not too heavy. From a bass perspective on the music I've listened to, and any vocals and any music also sound really, really good. They're obviously great for video editing in terms of really tuning in on the audio, making sure everything's right. They've been great in DaVinci Resolve doing that video editing, which I showed just now. Obviously, as I've shown, it comes with all the different ear tips, so you get the most comfortable fit for your ears, which is great. And there's definitely some spares in there in case the ear tips degrade or you lose them, or they break, anything like that. Comes with plenty of spares, which is great. Cons, I'm not sure there are really any major cons. These are more of a budget-friendly in-ear monitor, so there will be others on the market that might produce better sound quality, maybe around the bass side of things. In terms of bass, there is definitely some good bass there, but maybe if you're looking for heavy bass, that these might be lacking a little bit there. But nothing noticeable just with general music, maybe more audio music that's really, really heavy based. The only other con I can really think of, the actual length of the, I don't know what that bit is, where the ear tip goes onto is quite long, so if you've maybe got a smaller ear, it might stick out slightly, but I'm really clutching there in terms of any potential cons. I don't really think it's a con, maybe just something to be aware of. So yeah, overall, pros definitely outweigh the cons, especially for that price point. Really, really good value for money. Okay, overall, I think the Agasound AgaOne hi-fi earphones, for the price point, they provide an impressive performance, to be fair. Really, really good. Build quality, excellent. Ear tips, etc. We've covered all that. So overall, a great pair of earphones. And definitely, if you're looking for a budget set, these definitely could be the ones for you. I'll leave product links below in the description so you can grab them yourself. So we're all done now. Hopefully it's been informative, at least, the video. If you have liked it, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If you haven't for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. Let me know in the comment section why. Any questions about the earphones, about anything at all, please drop any questions into the comment section. I will reply to all questions and comments. And if you want to follow the Houston DIY for more product reviews, tech reviews, giveaways, and much, much more, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.